Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I have a project here. This is some aluminum welding we have to do to fix this flange. This piece broke off. This is from a Suzuki Quad. Joe from 2 Vintage dropped it off. So we're going to take and put this in here. It gets a real good mechanical lock, and then take a stainless steel screw to hold the threads. You have to use stainless. You can't use anything plated. If it has a zinc plating on it, you'll just contaminate your weld. But the stainless steel works. I've done this before on larger flanges, 8mm screws and 10. This 6 is going to be challenging because I hope this doesn't melt away. If it does, then we have to just build it up with weld, tap it, drill it and tap it, and then mill it, or make a real good template somehow. So that's on the agenda for today. We'll start with giving this a good cleanup. So stick around. Okay, I got this area cleaned up in the parts washer. And I have a stainless steel brush. We'll clean the threads out good. Clean this out with brake clean first. And our final clean out, we'll use acetone to get a real good cleaning. And the same thing with this piece. We'll clean this out really good. And after we tack it, we're going to dig in there with a carbide burr, so that'll take out anything else. But the brake clean does a pretty good job. Like I say, we'll hit it with acetone as the final cleaning. It's a brand new stainless steel wire brush. So there's no contaminants on there. Looks pretty good, good and shiny. Okay, so I have a tack on here, kind of an ugly tack, but it was really dirty. it was popping and sputtering. There's a lot of contaminants in this casting. So I had to put kind of a big glob of filler rod on there to get that to tack. So we'll tack the other side now the best we can, and then kind of grind this out to get a good penetration coming in from each side. And I think it'll work. But yeah, it's a pretty dirty casting. It was really popping. So, tack the other side. That one worked a little better, but not much. So V this out a little with a carbide burr. Okay, I have the back ground down almost all the way through. So I think we'll weld that up first and then do the front and then same to the back. I'm gonna weld it in 4 stages. Okay, there we have the back side. That came out actually pretty good. So now you just got to grind away the fronts and then mill it flat. All right, that should be good there. We'll weld, fill up these cavities now. Might cut the head of this screw off so I got more room in there to weld. Okay, so we have it all welded up here. A good, we have it above the ceiling surfaces, so we'll have plenty of room to mill. So I'll mill this flat. I'll grind this, shape this just a little bit. So that bird gives it a little bit of a rough kind of cast texture. You can hit it with a wire brush to knock it down a little and blend it in a little more. All right, I don't have an angle plate, but I have this, this is like an adjustable table, but it'll kind of act as an angle plate. So we're going to mount the head to here so we could dial it in and mill that surface flat. Okay, so I have a dial indicator in here. I'm going to try to get a reading off of this here. Okay, so I have this dialed in about as good as I can. You pretty much can just do like a crosshair. We got 0 here. And bring it up here. And yeah, pretty much 0. 0 here too. It's a little rough surface there. A thou, half a thou. So we have it dialed in good here, and I did the same thing this way. So we're about as good as we're gonna get. I have it tightened down as good as possible. This isn't gonna take a whole lot of torque or anything. So we'll go ahead and surface this off. So this is what I'm gonna use here. There you have it. Okay, so here's the final repair. Kind of blended it all in, put a new surface on here. That's kind of a rough mill I used, but this gets silicone in a gasket, so it should be fine. I think it gets an O-ring on the inside too even. So it should be all good to go. We'll go deliver it to Joe, see what he thinks. All right, well, we're on our way to deliver the cylinder head to Joe. We have it right here. And we're just coming up on 2 Vintage headquarters. And we'll see what he thinks about it. All right, we're here with Joe, dropping off the cylinder head.
Wow, take a look at that.
Rewelded.
Which side was it? You can't even tell.
Yeah,
Oh, look at that.
Really good, even though it won't be seen.
Oh my gosh, that looks great.
We welded it all back together and then milled it flat. So you should get a good seal on there. There's a gasket. I think there was residue on there. So.
Yep. I'll put a new gasket on there and that'll be good as new. Wow.
Yeah, you can hardly tell.
That's great work.
I was really happy with that one.
Yeah. That's perfect.
So
this is for the machine right here. This is an LTZ 400. And I think what happened was when I took the bolt off here, it kind of sprung loose and then maybe cracked it. And then when I pulled it off, that whole piece came off.
Okay.
So
So that's what that is. I wasn't even sure what that was.
yeah, it was for a tensioner. Yep.
Okay.
So it's under pressure constantly.
Okay.
So it needed that to bolt back down. But yeah, that'll work great. This will be going right here. The engine's in the box right now, so we got to piece that back together. But
Quite the project, yeah.
yeah, it's gonna be a process for sure. But yeah, and then we've got the
rest of the parts,
all the
yeah,
other
that-
parts. Yep.
And sure you put a new gasket kit and all that. in there.
Yep. We've got everything, all new valves, valve seals, and yep.
Okay. Sounds good. Vinny
And
approves.
there's Vinny. Vinny, say hi to everybody. Don't be shy. Want to say hi?
Excited.
Come on, let's say hi. Can you wave a paw? Come on, come on, wave a paw.
There he is. Yeah. He approves.
Yep.
He thought the welding job was good.
Yeah, yeah. You want to check it out, Vin? Check it out. What do you think? Looks pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Vinny loves Jim.
So
Probably his favorite person now.
yeah, so yeah, you'll have to check out his video. I'll put a link to it. And what do you think? Couple weeks here?
Yeah,
That's
probably a couple weeks.
put that together and
Hoping next week, but we'll see what
Yeah.
happens with the weather here.
yeah. Yeah. And what other projects you got?
Yeah, I've got a lot of crap in the garage right now. We still have to figure out the Yamaha. I might put that one back together next week too. So,
Okay. And the little mini snowmobile.
yep, there it is, way in the back. Yep, that's gotta go to storage. And then I've got the what is that one called? This one needs to be fixed too. I'm sure they know this one from the auction. But
Oh, yeah, that's an old one.
yep, that one's like a 1950s. So
Really?
still looking for parts on that one, but that's another project in the works. So a couple different things, and I still do have my new truck.
Yep, there's the beast.
Yeah. Yeah. People thought I sold it already. I'm like, no, I didn't sell
No, it's just afraid to drive it. It's too new.
it. Yeah, the weather's been horrible with snow and ice and salting the roads, so.
Yeah, might as well use the other one as long as you have it.
Yep. Yep.
That'll make a good plow truck.
Yep. Yep.
All right.
That's pretty much it then.
Yep.
What do you think,
All
Jim?
right.